In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice in FreshBooks. If you need to create a new invoice that looks almost identical to one you've already sent or saved, duplicating it can save a lot of time and help you avoid re-entering the same information manually. This is especially useful for recurring services, similar projects, or repeat clients. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, head over to the navigation menu and select Invoices. This will take you to the area where all of your invoices are listed and managed. Next, locate the invoice you want to duplicate. You can scroll through the list and identify the correct one before moving on. Once you've found it, select the invoice by checking the box next to it. Make sure you're choosing the correct invoice, since the duplicate will be based on the details from that original version. After selecting the invoice, look toward the top of the invoice list and click Bulk Actions. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for managing selected invoices. From that menu, choose Duplicate. At this point, FreshBooks will begin creating a copy of the invoice you selected. Give it a moment to process. The duplicated invoice should appear as a new invoice based on the original, which makes it much faster than building one from scratch. Once the copy has been created, open the new invoice and review it carefully. This is an important step, because even though the invoice has been duplicated successfully, you still want to confirm that all copied details are accurate and appropriate for the new version. If needed, update the client information. In some cases, the invoice may be for the same client, but if not, this is the time to make any necessary changes. After that, review the invoice details and edit anything that should be updated, such as the invoice date, due date, invoice number, or reference number. These details often need adjustment, so the duplicated invoice reflects the current billing period or transaction. When everything looks correct, click Save to keep the duplicated invoice. This ensures your updated version is stored properly in FreshBooks. If you're ready to deliver it right away, click Send to send the invoice to your client. Before sending, it's always a good idea to do one final review to make sure all details are complete and correct. That's how to duplicate an invoice in FreshBooks quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.